and he killed it. Well, that works.
That works. Alright, good morning guys. Doing a little walk around here of our newest addition to the Fordsman Classics lineup. A little Case VA tractor. Got this from a good family friend of ours. My dad helped restore it, I think 20 some years ago. So it's an older restoration, but still really good. We'll eventually probably repaint it and new decals, stuff like that. But we'll give you a little walk around of it. Good little tractor. Just needs to run a little more. It runs a little rough right now, but needs to run a little more. It does have on it the PTO hydraulic pump for the lift. I believe it was the first iteration of the case called the Eagle Hitch. I do have more parts and pieces over in the pickup for it. I don't have everything, but I have enough to get started on it and enough pictures stuff to mock it up. It does have PTO. Does not have the 3-point like the Case VAs do, because this is a VACs, because this is a VA. But yeah, good little tractor. Needs a different muffler. That was just the muffler they put on years ago. I'm gonna get a nice, pretty muffler for it and get rid of that ugly monstrosity up there. But it works right now, just fine. So, it does have brand new tires on it. Like I said, it was restored 25 years ago. I got the backstory on it. It was on an island out in the Clearwater River near Stites, Idaho. One of the rear tires was basically rotted off, so they got new rims for it. Rebuilt it. Runs really well. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it has a stuck needle valve in it right now. My brother and I are talking about that, so when you shut it off right now, turn the gas off. I'm gonna run it a little longer though, before we tear the carb apart and see if it is free up that way. It doesn't sitting so long, maybe that's why it's not running right. And if nothing else, we'll take it off and put a new carb kit through it. So, like I said, it's not a perfect restoration. It's an older restoration, needs some work. The wiring to the lights no longer is there. So I'm gonna rewire the lights eventually too. And then I gotta get this winter, I'll take the belt pulley off with the pump that's on it and take it to a old hydraulic guy in town that knows hydraulics like the back of his hand and see if he can get it fixed for me. So, because it's all there, just gotta see if it'll work. And then like I said, we have the other parts pieces for the Eagle Hitch, and maybe you put a little blade on the back or something, or I don't know, we'll see. So it's a good little tractor. We really like it, starts right up. Yeah, just newest edition. I will put in the comments or in the title what year it is. I'm not positive what year it is. I can look at the serial number plate and see what year it is. But yeah, good little tractor, good little addition to the fleet. So it'll get used a lot, probably not a whole lot heavy work. I just pull a hay wagon here and there, drive around, just up and down the road, You get it, like I said, you had the blade for it, and the blades and stuff around. Nothing big. It's more just a fun tractor. So, anyways, yeah. Good little tractor. The wife really likes it just because it starts right up real easy. It's a real easy to drive tractor. So, yeah. Not a bad purchase, I think. So, anyways, you'll be seeing more of it on the channel as we go along here. Okay. I'm gonna try that. Just a little harrow section. Just for the fun of it. Rigged up just pull around here the driveway. Or play around with the little case a little bit. See what we can do.